Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Harley with us. She's excited to be here. Can you say hi? She can't speak. I mean, she can, but she doesn't know the command, so sometimes she'll grunt in the background or, make a weird sound. You'll hear her. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our BoxyCharm for October 2020. This is a $25 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 full-size products. BoxyCharm does let you choose one product. I don't think I chose. If you've ever watched any of these videos of mine, you know I never choose, really. So I don't know if I chose anything in here. I'm sure if I did, I will be reminded when I see it, but it's also possible that I chose and I just won't be reminded. I don't remember. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if I don't know something's cruelty-free while I'm filming, I will put that on the screen right here for you, as well as the full-size value of it, which is going to be a full-size product, so I will put the value of the product, but there should be a card in here that also tells me the value of everything we're getting in here. I would appreciate if while you're here you could like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, and hit that subscribe button right down there. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open her up. Okay, so the card right here has the theme, which is Candy Shop, which is very fitting for Halloween. It's got a bunch of little candy on there, definitely like that. Oh, and also some blood. I thought that might be blood, and it's definitely blood. Okay. Oh, I don't know when they started doing this. So they started this paper confetti thing, which I don't enjoy. It's kind of wasteful. I don't think they need it. But anyway, it's in there. Oh, she has this thing about made beds and wanting to lay in them. So she's going to lay in this because it's made. Do you want me to move it for you? Are you happy now? Anytime I make my bed, she does the same thing. Like, she really doesn't like it when beds are made. I know, I'm calling you out right here. Oh, now you're trying to fix it? It's too late. You already messed it up. What are you doing? Okay, anyways, back to the video. Sorry about that. All right, let's just go ahead and pull out this first thing I'm seeing. This is from Spongel, which is cruelty-free. This is the Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. So if you've never tried these, they're basically like a loofah that has the body wash in them already. I have tried a couple of these. I really like them. They're great for exfoliating. I don't know what Cherry Tonka Musk means though, so let's see if we can get a scent on it. It's definitely musky, which I'm not the biggest fan of musk, but it's not like bad. I don't really smell cherry though. I don't know. It smells like fall. I don't know. That's the only way I can describe it. But yeah, and they last for quite a while. So I definitely will use that once my other one runs out because I already have one in my shower right now. But yeah, definitely excited to get that. Let me get a value on it. So 20 bucks. So they are expensive. I mean, I'm not going to lie, that's expensive, but you can get these, if you ever get FabFitFun, these are always in their edit sale. So if you subscribe to that, maybe, look around for that, because like they're always in there for like 5 to 10 bucks, something like that. So yeah, I don't know if I'd pay 20 bucks, but I have gotten it in FabFitFun a couple times, so not mad to get that. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Symbiosis London, which I've never heard of. This is a tightening and resplendent eye mask. It does say cruelty-free on the back, so that's exciting. I don't know, I've never heard of this brand. So it says apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow it to absorb into the delicate skin around the eye area, no need to wash out. So basically it's just an eye serum. I'll use it. I mean, I enjoy an eye serum. I don't know that it does anything for me. Maybe it's because I'm not super consistent with it, but I do use them like a couple times a week. So I definitely will give that a go. And it is valued at $93. Okay, eye creams are typically pricey, but $93, never, ever, ever in a million years should you or anybody pay that. You can find great eye serums for not that much. So trust me when I say don't ever pay that. That's too much. Okay, so moving right along. Sorry about that. I mean, some things are pricey, but that's too much, right? Am I crazy? Let me know down in the comments. If I'm crazy, let me know. I mean, for other reasons too. If you just think I'm crazy in general, that's fine. You can let me know. Anyways, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Tarte. This is the Maracuja Miracle Mist, which I just got the Maracuja what was it? A tinted moisturizer in my Ipsy bag. So I don't know if this is, I don't think this is a new line to them. Maybe they're just trying to get people back into it. I don't know. Anyways, this is a setting spray. So there it is. I don't love that it's an aerosol can. It's just not something I like. I try not to buy aerosol anything. So, except for maybe like a dry shampoo is the only thing I can think of that is aerosol that I use, but I don't use very often. Like even hairspray, I won't use aerosol. It's not great for the planet, you know, so I try not to, but let's try this out. You're gonna freak out in a minute. I mean, you might. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake this. Hold on, let me read. Okay, it doesn't say to shake. I don't know if this is gonna spray. Oh. So it's a super gentle mist, which I like. I kind of like that. I hate that this is an aerosol can, so I'm glad that I got it to try it, but I would probably never repurchase this just for that fact alone. Maybe I'm a hippie, I don't know. I'm sorry, are you okay? You can come back. I'm sorry. I warned you it was going to happen. I warned you. You okay? It was just this. It was just this, that's all. It's done. No more. The value on that is $23, so pretty on par, I'd say, with, you know, more Sephora priced setting sprays. Oh, all that for nothing? You know that you're the reason they're here, so it's a good thing you're doing entertaining things. I know. Why are you so cute? Let's move right along to the next thing. This next thing is from Real Her, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty-free. This is the Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio, which I really like the packaging. It looks like marble. Really nice. Also, if you've never met my dog Harley, she really likes to lick her feet. That's what she's doing right now. It looks like she's licking the bed, but she's licking your foot. Oh yeah, I'm talking about you, sorry. Carry on. You can lick your feet. Nobody here's gonna judge you. Ooh, even the actual component is like, it's plastic, but it's marble looking. I really like that. So let's see what we look like. Okay, so it looks like a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. Really pretty. I don't really like the blush, so I'm probably not going to use that, but the bronzer and the highlighter look really nice. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. There it is. Yeah, not bad. So the blush isn't terrible. The bronzer is how I like a bronzer. I don't want a super potent bronzer personally, because then I can't blend it in. And the highlighter is nice. Yeah, not mad about that. I enjoy that. Sorry, if you're new here, I hate swatches, so I immediately wipe them off. So that's what I'm doing. Let's get a value on this. So $28, which I don't think that's a really great price. The pans are not that big, right? I don't think that's that good. I don't know if I would pay that, but it is in my possession now, so I will use it. We have one last item, and this is from Ciate London, which is cruelty-free. This is the Editor Palette, New England. And there it is. You can see my camera, and there's my ring light. And this is the reason why all that paper confetti was in there. This was wrapped in that. So here's the outside. Super cute. I'm sure if you can tell, it does say Ciate there in the middle. I really like that though. It's like pink and then purple. Whoa. This has a lot of shimmer in it. So 14 of these 18 shades are shimmer or glitter, and there are 4 mattes. So generally not drawn to this, but I do like that it has sort of a shimmer or glitter color for like every shade of the rainbow. So this would be like a nice, almost like topper palette, I would say, where like I don't have a green glitter that I can think of. So if I want to do like a green eye look or I want even like a brown eye look with a green metallic topper, I think that would be really cute. So yeah, typically normally not drawn to this, but I might be able to use this. Let me go ahead and swatch a few shades like this green that for some reason I'm really drawn to, even though I don't normally enjoy green that much. I'll do one of the mattes too. They are powdery. Let's see, what else do I like? Let's try this yellow. This is like yellow or gold, I guess. And we'll do a blue. So we're just gonna do 4 shades. Wow, not bad. So per usual, I mean, mattes just don't swatch well. It's just the truth. The glitters are pretty nice though. You can see they're pretty decent. Not bad. So yeah, that's definitely an interesting palette. I don't know if was their intent was to be like a eyeshadow topper palette, but that's definitely what I would use it for. Oh god, now I have glitter all over my hands. You get a value on this palette for you. And it's valued at $32, which I don't think is bad for 18 shadows. I don't think that's bad. It's like less than $2 a shadow, so I don't think that's the worst price I've seen. I've never tried an eyeshadow from Ciate either. I've tried like tons of other products, but never an eyeshadow, so definitely excited to give that a go. Okay, so yeah, now that I've seen everything, I can safely say that I did not choose anything that was in this box, but I'm not mad about it. I think my favorite thing is probably the eyeshadow palette just because it's very different from anything I own already. Also excited about this. These things are great. Excited about the Tarte setting spray, even though it's an aerosol can, and I know I'm kind of a baby about it, but I'm still excited to try it because it felt really, really great. Like going on, like the mist was so fine. But yeah, the only thing I'm not excited about is the eye cream because I think it's overpriced. Like, get real, $93? I don't think so. But as always, I would love to know what you thought. So let me know. If you get this box, let me know what you got in yours. I love to hear what everybody else gets in their boxes. I don't watch unboxing videos, so I don't really see what other people get. So if you get it, let me know. And yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I already said it in the beginning of the video, but if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.